So good evening again. I'm Bhavin Patel from Industrial Electricals, and we are with Mr. Chandmal Goliya ji of KUSAM MECO in KUSAM Electricals Industries Limited, famous brand name of KUSAM MECO since long. So, since yes, this is 40 years, and the innovator and founder, Chandmal ji, tell us about your brand, how it has been evolved into the industry.
Our brand has been since 40 years, and over the 40 years, we have been selling high quality products, and hence, we are well known in the industry for good quality products.
So, how have you come across the idea to start with the measuring instrument?
This, bu- sorry, business was started by my father in the year 1942. He used to import instruments from Europe and sell in India. And after independence, we had started manufacturing some of the instruments in India. But with the times, the imports of instruments was restricted. So we had to start manufacturing them in India. But later on, since new technologies were developed in other countries and India was not able to cope up with that technology, then we had to again restart the import business. And that is how we started with 4 or 5 products, and now we have got almost about 500 products.
So 500 products into measuring instrument, that is quite a big achievement into this industry, and Kusum has now become the very well-known brand into the entire industry since very long. So coming to the part of the innovation, you have already done the many of the innovation, and the entire industry is changing towards the IoT or Industry 4.0,
Yes.
and as well as the overall measuring and testing instruments are also converting into IoT or thermal or the ultrasonic waves. So, what are your future plans into this industry?
In the future, we also will be having the instruments which are working on IoT or AI, artificial intelligence.
That's great. So, what sort of equipments we have? The electrical, thermal, and the other parameters.
We have equipments which can measure almost every parameter. All electrical parameters can be measured: current, voltage, power, power factor, frequency, harmonics. Then we have got environmental testing instruments, which can test the light, lux, and sound, thermal temperature, humidity. We have a full range of gas detectors, which can measure or detect gases in the atmosphere. We have got a full range of process calibrators, which are used for calibration of the temperature controllers, indicators, and also for thermocouples. We have got high voltage non-contact detectors for checking whether the circuits are live or dead before any person goes for doing any maintenance work. They are ranging from 11 kV right up to 500 kV. We have got a full range of discharge rods up to 400 kV. Rescue hooks we are having. Phasing sticks we are having. Then we have got temperature and humidity data loggers, temperature and humidity transmitters. Then we also have a range of power measuring instruments, power clamp meters, and also panel meters. We also have thermal imagers.
Wow. So, not only the measuring and the testing equipment, but also the safety devices.
Devices also. We have a lot of safety devices like the non-contact high voltage detectors. We have the rescue hook, which is also used for the safety of the persons. Then we have got a high range, safety digital multimeters and clampmeters. They have surge protection range up to rating up to 12 kV. This prevents the person from getting any shock in case there is any short circuit in the line.
So, coming to the part of the COVID, when everyone is demanding for the thermal images, right, or the thermal scanners.
Infrared thermometers. So at that time, we also developed infrared thermometers suitable for measuring the body temperature during the time of COVID.
That's great. So there are also the medical devices need, and in fact there are multiple companies who are still importing this kind of product. So how do you see the overall challenges with respect to the imported products versus?
The challenges are many. Most of the people import is the low cost, low quality products. And as you know, in the government organizations, they have limitations to purchase the goods only on L1 basis. So then what they get is the low cost, low quality products. But we are above that level of quality, and only the good quality customers who want the good quality products, they are our major customers.
So it is, in fact, in the you have almost more than 40 years now, and you have a good customer base, and everyone knows the brand KUSAM MECO. And you are your next generation is also coming into the business, and they have taken over the many of the business support. So, what are your future plans for this industry?
We will be introducing more and more products with new technologies to meet the requirement of the new industries that are coming up.
Typically speaking, what sort of industries we are? The renewable energies or the
For renewable energy also, we have some products which can be used in the renewable energy field. We have clamp meters, we have solar power meters, we have solar irradiation meters, and then we have high voltage digital multimeters for the solar industry.
specifically for the electrical vehicle industry.
We have power quality analyzers to check the quality of the motor. Then we have our regular clamp meters and multimeters to check the current and voltage of the motors and the performance of the motors.
Coming back to the old organization, right? What is the team size we have at present?
We have about 50 people in our organization at present.
That includes the manufacturing and the sales staff.
Yes, all.
How many number of distributors till now we have?
We have about 40 distributors all over India.
And what do we do into export market?
We are not very much in exports. We get few inquiries from the Middle East, mostly.
Have we started the export market?
Yes, we do export. We have been exporting for many years, but the market mostly is in the Middle East, and it is a small market for us.
We are not focusing export.
No, not much.
So, coming to the part, how was your response into the Electrama?
We have got a very good response in this Electrama exhibition. Many new customers have been coming to us with new application requirements, and we have the solutions for that, for which they are actually surprised that yes, this company can give such a large variety of solutions for their requirements.
That's right. So even after so much long of experience and the lot of team put together, 40 distributors and the 50 of the team manpower. In fact, we have a struggle to reach the right solution at the customer's place.
Because India is a very big market. Not only that, secondly, it depends on the attitude of the person. If he has an intention to learn many things, well, he will know about us. But if he doesn't have an intention, he just wants to limit his knowledge to what he has already learned, then nothing can be done.
Absolutely. Whatever things they are using and they ask for the same thing, then definitely company will not give them the.
They will not be able to get knowledge about the new technological thing.
So, apart of this, the entire industry is now being working towards the sustainability, which is energy efficiency and more. So, are we planning to have the energy auditing or the energy auditing?
Yes, we have some instruments for carrying out the energy audits, power and quality harmonics analyzers, which can be used for energy auditing.
That's great. So, not only we are providing the testing and measuring equipment, but also for the safety equipments, and plus to sustain to make the entire environment sustainability. We have the power quality analyzers and everything there. Right?
Yes, we do have all that.
So, your the young age is also coming into the like Naveen Goliya ji is also into big part of this. How is he taking over into your business?
He is taking over very nicely.
Your vision, because many of the companies are coming into e-commerce. When the next generation startups, they always talk about the digitalization of the entire businesses and all. So, are we coming into e-commerce?
Yes, we are also digitalizing our processes, office processes in many fields, many areas.
Typically developing on the digitalization like ERP and sort of tools.
ERP, CRM.
That's it.
Yeah.
But we are not planning to enter into e-commerce market.
No. No, we are there on Amazon and Flipkart. Yeah, and we also do digital marketing. on Flipkart and Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram.
That's fantastic. So now the creating awareness digitally to the customers, wherein our product physically cannot reach, so that the people who are tech savvy, more tech savvy, they can showcase our product onto the digital platforms and they can get the right solution at the right time.
Yes, we are going in that direction.
That's fantastic, and thank you very much, Chandmalji, for your key insights about the industry. And hope this industry will be more tech savvy with your support and guidance. Definitely, Navinji will create the wonders into this.
Thank you very much. Thank you.